Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the PulseWave Report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trig Reports. Sorry I'm so late, but I've been in the lab all day working on some very important things with the Pulse Waves for the Pulse Wave subscribers. So I only got time for a couple that I'm going to do here today, and then I got to keep it moving. All right, Lord willing, I'll be able to do some more tomorrow. All right. So first things first, not in any particular order. This here is Facebook. You can see here that for Monday we had a rally alert for tomorrow. All right, we came into today under the auspices of the bears being in control of the market, hence the crash alert. Came down further. Now we have a rally alert for tomorrow. Overhead resistance is just shy of the 270 marker. So we'll see how much energy this thing can get behind it. But 270 is around where the overhead trend line resistance is waiting, and that will be the initial target. All right, let's take a look and see what gold futures are doing. So here's your gold futures. Bulls still in control of the market. A lot of congestion and consolidation around the trend line resistance and the top of the Kumo cloud. It's been slow to respond to the breakout that we've recently had in silver. So we'll see if gold can push through or not. Speaking of silver, here's the silver futures for you. Okay, so you've created this gap. Now here's the initial rally alert back here, and then here's all the upside production that you've gotten. Okay, so the rally alert was back here around the 25 handle, and this market hit 30 today. So now you have a bullish pointer on today's bar, but you also have this gap. Chances are this market's going to come down rather quickly, back and fill here, and either it's going to keep going or it's going to just fall down as if it was a fake move. We shall see. Silver can be quite explosive and can become a very dangerous market if you are not careful. So please trade lightly. If you are looking at a nice windfall profits from the pulse waves, you need to start popping your way through this and locking in some profit, because you don't know what can happen in the overnight market. Here's the Bitcoin Futures Composite Index. All right. So as you can see here, this market is trying to stabilize around the 30,000 mark. All right. So we're going to be watching this one to see what's going on. Not so sure if we're going to see all that we're looking to see, but you just never know. All right, so here's a crash alert for the Bitcoin Futures Composite Index for tomorrow's trading. Trend line support right below the 28,000 handle is the initial target for that one. But we also have this bullish pointer right here that was generated the day before. Chances are the market's really going to try to come and deal with that. So I would not overlook that at this point. Next up, we got DGB on the crypto side. All right, let's see if I can make the chart better. Nah, I can't. This one's messed up. But you can see here from the rally alert we had, and then the market is trying to move forward and give us some upside production. Overhead trend line, you can see it's way up here. And I do believe that that is in play for this move if DGB continues to move forward. All right, here is Link, or better known as Chain Link. All right, you can see here we have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading here as it's flip-flopping up here around this resistance zone. Something's got to give. I don't know if the bulls are going to win out or if the bears end up winning out, but right now we got to go with. So we have a rally alert, so we'll see what's going to happen with it. Pop your way through it and follow the reports to a T. Minimum, so you can minimize losses and all that good thing. All right, next here we have THETA. Stick with the cryptos for a moment. We have a rally alert for this one for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Overhead resistance trend line is the initial target on this one as well. All right, next up we have a GameStop. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. All right, so as you can see here, this one is consolidating and flip-flopping around this lofty level. You see you finally back and fill from the initial takeoff here. You flip to a rally alert, and you got no production there. Now we have a crash alert for tomorrow, and GameStop. Have the bulls left the building? Are they going to let this thing fall all the way back down? Your guess is as good as mine. We will see. This is a mighty bullish pointer right here, though. I don't know if that's caused because of the algorithmic trading, which I stand firm in believing is what happened that created this. We will see. We shall see. But this is what it's looking like, ladies and gentlemen. That's why you need the PulseWave report so you can know what's going on. All right, next up we got AMC. Let's see what this is looking like. All right, so you can see here, this one too is pausing up here at these lofty levels. You're back and filled on this bar here from this initial gap. Now, you came into today with a rally alert, got that upside production, but then in an intraday, you have here a crash into the close. So on AMC, have the bulls left the building here too? I don't know. This is one of those really good questions. It could go either way as a head scratcher. You had a massive bearish pointer right here, but then it was filled immediately. Then the market reversed and came up here. So I think this one, it may take some time to figure out what people want to do. And we'll see. We'll know pretty soon if the bulls have left the building. It will become pretty obvious at this time, because you'll see that there's little to no continuation of production. And that's typically what you see when the bulls leave the building. All right, next you have SVL. Okay, this is on the Australian market, the ASX. So you have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. As you can see here, the market back and filled today. So we'll see if this is just a back and fill or a continuation, and the market gives it all back. Hard to say, but you do got a little gap right here too. So it is possible that this could be further extended to the downside. Will it firm up and build support once it gets down here and then rally again? Don't know. That's a good question. We'll have to see how this market works itself out. All right, next we got Ford Motor Company. Here you go. Ford has a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. You back and fill successfully this initial gap back here. And this one's looking like it may be ready to rock and roll. So Ford has a rally alert, and you've made a bullish pointer for the day. So this one may actually do a little something tomorrow. We shall see if we get that upside production. And last but not least, this ticker is FEYE. All right, so Foxtrot Echo Yo-Yo Echo. Rally alert for tomorrow's trading on this one, as it seems to be bouncing around the trend line support. Looks like this is about it on this pullback, and this one could be looking to go and bounce now. We do have a bullish pointer right here, so I don't see any reason why this one can't lift off and take out the previous highs. We'll just have to watch it. This is on the dashboard. This is in the U.S. equity report for those that are following. All right, that's all I got time for, man. I got to run. You know what it is. Smash that like button. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.